Hey guys, my name is Travis Wooten. This is my S&M Bike Check. We'll go over to the frame. It's an S&M BTM 21.25" frame. It's Mike Hoder's signature frame. We have the S&M Head 2 badge on there. The bars are Terrible One 8.85 bars with the Eclat scope grips and Odyssey parens. S&M Redneck XLT stem and an FSA impact headset. Right. The forks are S&M pitchforks. The front wheel is a G-Sport marmoset laced to a G-Sport birdcage. There it is. With DT Swiss spokes and an Fit FAF Kevlar folding 2.25 front tire. The seat is a Fit low bolt seat. It's a great seat, looks good. Animal seat post, integrated clamp. You got the Albee sticker on there. Sprocket is a 30-tooth tree spline drive sprocket with the profile spline drive cranks. Odyssey JCPC pedals. And the back wheel is a G-Sport ratchet laced to a G-Sport birdcage with DT Swiss spokes and a Fit FAF Kevlar 2.25 tire. The bike runs great, barely died. We have the damn cop sticker out of there, and I just love this bike. Feels great. Thanks for watching.